So I see three big mistakes that D2C brands make when they're using Google Analytics. Let's run through what these are and how you can fix it. The first thing I see is that people are not accurately tracking the conversions, the revenue that they have from their Shopify store into Google Analytics. And that is just a limitation generally of the Google and YouTube app or Google Tag Manager they're using to track. And it means that you're probably missing 20 to 25% of your revenue is just vanishing into the ether. You don't know where that came from. You don't even know that it happened on your store, but it did. You have the dollars in your bank account to prove it. So we can fix that revenue matching really easily with Littledata's new free Google Analytics app. We have a simple out-the-box app that connects Shopify to Google Analytics in a robust way using server-side tracking, and that will eliminate the revenue discrepancy you're seeing between your Shopify store and Google Analytics. The second big mistake I see is just not going deep enough with the reporting in Google Analytics. So it's a confusing interface, don't get me wrong, and there's lots of what I might call hidden depth to Google Analytics. But the simple way most brands can solve this is by plugging in another data tool on top of Google Analytics to provide insights. If you don't know how to build the e-commerce custom reports in Google Analytics, there are lots of other tools that can do that for you, whether it's a Looker Studio type, completely customizable dashboard, or more of an AI insights tool. They all use the basic data you have set up in Google Analytics to provide that information for you. So think of Google Analytics not as necessarily the daily use tool that you go into to see what's going on in your store, but the data source that any other tool can use to pull that analysis for you. And then the third thing is quite simple. Many brands have not actually connected Google Analytics with their Google Ads account. And this is critical because Google's built those products to work very well together. You can share audiences from Google Analytics into Google Ads for retargeting or exclusion. And then you can also pull that conversion and cost data back into Google Analytics to do a better analysis of return on ad spend. So honestly, if you are not accurately tracking the conversions, deeply analyzing the reports, or using tools on top of Google Analytics to do so, and linking your Google Ads account with Google Analytics, and you're not getting the best out of it. So my final free bit of advice is Littledata has an audit tool, link in the comments, which can just connect your Google Analytics account and tell you immediately whether you're making those mistakes and a few other common ones. So if you're not sure and you want to get more from Google Analytics, do use the free audit tool just to check whether this is working for you.